have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 3 to 4 inches in 1 hour.
Okay, good. This rain is
Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northern Missouri City, Bel Air, Humboldt, West University Place, Jersey Village, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Spring Valley, Greater Heights, Spring Branch North, Memorial Park, North Side, or North Line, Afton Oaks, or River Oaks area, Spring Branch West, near North Side Houston, Aldine, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, Greater Greens Point and
Oh, wow.
Milltown,
That's
or
very
Montrose.
close to me.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service